The mystery of centipedes that will surprise you. Wild animals, Animal World, TGDV, Centipedes, Strange Animals. Discovering the astonishing mysteries of centipedes. When it comes to centipedes, many people feel fear due to their venom and appearance. However, reading the article below will undoubtedly make you find these small but formidable creatures incredibly fascinating. Characteristics of centipedes. Common traits of centipedes. Centipedes belong to the class of arthropods, characterized by having numerous jointed legs. Their body consists of two main parts, the head and the trunk. The head is typically round or flattened, exhibiting shared characteristics of the class, with variations like segmented antennae or double legs. The trunk comprises numerous segments, each bearing a pair of legs. Interestingly, at first glance, these segments may seem identical, but in reality, centipedes carry elongated and short trunk segments arranged alternately. The first segment houses two pincers containing venom, responsible for attacking prey and adversaries. The number of legs in centipedes varies widely, ranging from 20 to a whopping 300. Fascinating facts you might not know about centipedes. The English name for centipedes is derived from the Latin roots, meaning 100 feet. However, in reality, they don't have exactly 100 legs. The most well-known largest centipede species globally is the Scolopendra gigantea, with an average length of about 26 centimeters, but it can grow up to 42 centimeters. Despite having single eyes concentrated in the head forming compound eyes, centipedes cannot distinguish shapes of their surroundings or other creatures like their arthropod counterparts. They can only perceive light and darkness. The unique aspect of centipede leg pairs is that they always exist in an odd number, either 15 or 17 pairs. Centipedes have a weakness due to their imperfect exoskeleton structure lacking a waxy cutin layer. This makes them susceptible to water loss in dry and hot conditions. It explains why they predominantly inhabit regions with humid climates. The reproductive capabilities of centipedes are astonishing, as they belong to the class of parthenogenetic reproduction. There's no need for direct copulation between males and females. Male centipedes simply release their sperm packets, and the female centipedes pick them up. Additionally, their reproductive cycle is not fixed to a specific season. In comparison to other arthropods, centipedes have a relatively long lifespan, living for more than 5 years. They consistently molt and evolve through various stages of life, not ceasing development at maturity like other creatures. Centipede legs can regenerate normally after collisions or injuries, even if severed. When surrounded by adversaries, such as being caught by the talons of a bird, centipedes are willing to sacrifice their legs to escape. Therefore, a sign of a wounded centipede is shorter legs, indicating it is in the process of regeneration. Centipedes are carnivorous, and their diet includes centipede offspring, lizards, geckos, frogs, birds, rodents, insects, spiders, and even bats. Centipedes, from Neo-Latin centi-100, and Latin pes, pedis, foot, are predatory arthropods belong to the class Calopoda, Ancient Greek, kylos, lip, and Neo-Latin suffix poda, foot, describing the forcipules of the subphylum Myriapoda, an arthropod group which includes millipedes and other multi-legged animals. Centipedes are elongated segmented, metameric creatures with one pair of legs per body segment. All centipedes are venomous and can inflict painful stings, injecting their venom through pincer-like appendages known as forcipules or toxicognaths, which are actually modified legs instead of fangs. Despite the name, no centipede has exactly 100 pairs of legs. Number of legs ranges from 15 pairs to 191 pairs, always an odd number. Centipedes are predominantly generalist carnivorous, hunting for a variety of prey items that can be overpowered. They have a wide geographical range, which can be found in terrestrial habitats, from tropical rainforests to deserts. Within these habitats, centipedes require a moist microhabitat because they lack the waxy cuticle of insects and arachnids, therefore causing them to rapidly lose water. Accordingly, they avoid direct sunlight by staying under cover or by being active at night. Description: Centipedes have a rounded or flattened head, bearing a pair of antennae at the forward margin. They have a pair of elongated mandibles, and 2 pairs of maxillae. The first pair of maxillae form the lower lip, and bear short palps. The first pair of limbs stretch forward from the body over the mouth. These limbs, or forcipules, end in sharp claws, and include venom glands that help the animal to kill or paralyze its prey. Their size ranges from a few millimeters in the smaller lithobiomorphs and geophilomorphs to about 30 centimeters, 12 in the largest scolopendromorphs. Sensory organs. Many species of centipedes lack eyes, but some possess a variable number of ocelli, sometimes clustered together to form true compound eyes. However, these eyes are only capable of discerning light from dark, and provide no true vision. In some species, the first pair of legs can function as sensory organs, similar to antennae. Unlike the antennae of most other invertebrates, these point backwards. An unusual clustering of sensory organs found in some centipedes is the organ of tomosphere. The organs, at the base of the antennae, consist of a disc-like structure and a central pore, with an encircling of sensitive cells. They are likely used for sensing vibrations, and may provide a weak form of hearing. Forcipules. Forcipules are unique to centipedes. The forcipules are modifications of the first pair of legs, the maxillipeds, forming a pincer-like appendage, just behind the head. Forcipules are not oral mouthparts, though they are used to subdue prey by injecting venom and gripping the prey animal. Venom glands run through a tube, from inside the head to the tip of each forcipule. Body. Behind the head, the body consists of at least 15 segments. Most of the segments bear a single pair of legs. The maxillipeds project forward from the first body segment, while the final 2 segments are small and legless. Each pair of legs is slightly longer than the pair preceding them, ensuring that they do not overlap, which reduces the chance that they will collide and trip the animal. The last pair of legs may be as much as twice the length of the first pair. The final segment bears a telson, and includes the openings of the reproductive organs. Centipedes mainly use their antennae to seek out their prey. The digestive tract forms a simple tube, with digestive glands attached to the mouthparts. Like insects, centipedes breathe through a tracheal system, typically with a single opening, or spiracle, on each body segment. They excrete waste through a single pair of Malpighian tubules. Ultimate legs. A collage showing the ultimate legs of various centipedes. From top left, proceeding clockwise, Rhesyta spp, Scolopochroptopsterglocoditus, Scolopendra dehani, Lithobius proximus, Lithobius forficatus, Scolopendra cingulata. Just as the first pair of legs are modified into forcipules, the back legs are modified into ultimate legs, also called anal legs, caudal legs, and terminal legs. Their use varies between species, but does not include locomotion. The ultimate legs may be elongated and thin, thickened, or pincer-like. They are frequently sexually dimorphic, and may play a role in mating rituals. Because glandular pores occur more frequently on ultimate legs than on the walking legs, they may serve a sensory role. They are sometimes used in defensive postures, and some species use them to capture prey, defend themselves against predators, or suspend themselves from objects such as branches, using the legs as pincers. Several species use their ultimate legs upon encountering another centipede, trying to grab the body of the other centipede. Members of the genus Alipes can stridulate their leaf-like ultimate legs to distract or threaten predators. Rhesyta emarginata togoensis makes a faint creaking sound when it swings its ultimate legs. Thank you for watching the video. Remember to click like and follow to receive other good videos.